Yes people, welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving into a detailed review of Minea, a comprehensive tool designed to help you optimize and scale your e-commerce business through data-driven insights and automation. Before we dive in, please note that the features and pricing mentioned in this video are subject to change, so be sure to check the link below for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's explore what Minea has to offer for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Minea provides a suite of powerful tools aimed at enhancing product research, competitive analysis, and store optimization. Whether you're just starting or looking out to evaluate your existing business, Minea has a range of features to support your growth. Let's start with the basics. Minea offers several subscription plans to fit different needs. The most popular plan is the professional plan, which costs you $99 per month. This plan includes access to advanced product research tools, competitive analysis, and sales forecasting. If you're just starting out, the basic plan is available for $49 per month and includes essential features like product tracking and basic market insights. For those seeking more advanced functionalities, the Enterprise plan at $199 per month provides everything in the professional plan, plus additional features like custom reports, dedicated account support, and more in-depth analytics. Now, let's break down some of the key features that make Minea stand out. One of the standout tools is the product research engine, which allows you to discover high potential products by analyzing sales trends, competition level, and marketing demand. This tool helps you make informed decisions about which product to stock and to promote. Another notable feature is the competitive analysis tool, which provides insights into your competitors' strategies, including pricing, product assortment, and promotional tactics. Minea also offers a powerful sales forecasting tool, which helps you predict future sales trends based on historical data and current marketing conditions. This feature is invaluable for planning inventory and setting realistic sales targets. Additionally, Minea Store Optimization tool provides actionable recommendations to improve your store performance, from enhancing product listings to optimizing your marketing strategies. Let's compare Minea with some other tools available on the market. Tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout offer similar product research and competitive analysis features. However, Minea distinguishes itself with robust sales forecasting capabilities and comprehensive store optimization tools. Another competitor, ANZ Scout, provides strong product research functionalities but may lack some of the advanced analytics and forecasting features that Minea offers. Let's dive into the pros and the cons of Minea. On the plus side, Minea is highly effective for data-driven decision making, providing valuable insights into product performance and market trends. Its sales forecasting and competitive analysis tools are particularly useful for e-commerce businesses looking to gain a competitive edge. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The subscription cost may be a little bit higher for those on a tight budget, and some users might find the range of features overwhelming if they are new to e-commerce analytics. Additionally, while Minea offers a comprehensive tool, its interface may have a learning curve for new users. In conclusion, Minea is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses, especially those focused on leveraging data to drive growth and optimize performance. Its advanced product research, competitive analysis, and sales forecasting features make it a valuable asset for both new and established businesses. If you're serious about scaling your e-commerce operations, Minea is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you're interested in trying out Minea, be sure to use our link below, and we earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support our channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.